If Microsoft Edge is showing an out-of-memory error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a couple of quick fixes that can help clear up the problem fast. This is a really common issue, especially if you have too many tabs open, too many background processes running, or your browser cache has become overloaded. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, close any unnecessary tabs in Microsoft Edge. If you have a lot of tabs open, Edge has to use more memory to keep everything running, and that can quickly trigger the out-of-memory error. Start by keeping only the tabs you actually need right now. If there are pages you can come back to later, close them so Edge can free up system resources. This small step alone can make a big difference, especially on computers with lower RAM. Next, close any unnecessary processes running in the background. Sometimes the browser isn't the only thing using memory. Other apps, browser extensions, or background programs can also slow things down. If your computer is under heavy load, Edge may struggle to keep up. So before you keep browsing, it helps to shut down any apps you are not using. That gives your device more available memory and can stop the error from appearing again. Now let's clear the cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. This is one of the most effective fixes when the browser starts acting up or showing memory-related errors. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut opens the Clear Browsing Data menu right away, which saves you time compared to digging through settings manually. Once the menu appears, make sure Cookies and Cached files are selected. These files can build up over time and sometimes become corrupted or too large, which may cause Edge to behave incorrectly. You can usually leave the time range set to all time if you want the cleanest reset, or choose a shorter range if you only want to remove recent data. After that, click the Clear button and let Edge remove the stored files. After the cache and cookies are cleared, restart Microsoft Edge and try the same page again. In many cases, the out-of-memory error will be gone, and the browser should feel a lot more responsive. If you still see the issue, repeat the process and make sure no heavy apps or extra tabs are still open in the background. So to recap, the fastest way to fix Microsoft Edge out-of-memory error is to close unnecessary tabs and processes, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete and clear the cookies and cache. These two steps solve the problem for a lot of users and can help Edge run much more smoothly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.